OSCR is down over 7.5% today. And in my opinion, I think this is just a great dip buy opportunity. And I am expecting for this stock to be trading within the next 3 to 6 months back up at $25. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my current position, the exact trigger in my system that is telling me to go long, where I plan to take profits, and more importantly, if things go wrong, where I'm going to stop out of my position. If you don't know who I am, my name is Peter DiCarlo. I've been a full-time trader for the past 11 years. I've grown my fund to over $5.4 million following a very simple two-step trading system that I'm going to share with you today. Now, if you want access to all of the indicators and learn this system in depth, they are all free in our course library below. There's a step-by-step guide showing you each and every single indicator, such as the BX trender, the market bias, smart money zones, all down below. And the best part is that it's legitimate free. No BS, no credit card, no, you have to sign up for something completely free. Now, if we go into the Traders Helping Traders playbook, you are going to see in our standard operating procedure the exact requirements that we need met in order to add a stock to our weekly watch list, and therefore in order for me to eventually take a position. A stock qualifies for our watch list if these two conditions are met. So if these two conditions are in the system, we are going to add it to the watch list. The first thing is the monthly BX must be showing buying pressure. We are looking for an increase in momentum from a lower low state. So it either has to be increasing, which is light red, or green. So if we look at OSCR, not this month, because this month hasn't closed yet, so we go to the prior month, you're going to see that the BX trender, which shows buy or sell pressure, is still green. Now, if the month of December closes red as we are right now, then all of this goes out the window. We walk away from the trade, we lose, and we move on. But as of right now, this piece of criteria is now being met. Now, the second thing is that we have to be trading within a key discount range. That means that price has to be trading inside of the 1 month fair value band or market bias, the 3 month fair value band or market bias, or a macro smart money zone. These are institutions or institutional levels where normally institutions will step in. And if you look, the monthly market bias is right here. So we are officially meeting both of those pieces of criteria. Now, if we take a look at just that criteria, and if we would have followed that over the past 4.7 years trading this system on OSCR, we would have made a 46% return. Now, for a lot of you, you might say that's not a lot, but you have to understand that that is only playing this for about 4 or 5 months of that 4-year period. And what's even better is if you would have just bought and held, you would have lost 50%. So if you would have long-term invested in this, you would have lost 50%. If you would have traded the strategy, you would have made 46%. Now, when we win, the average win is about 65%, and the average loss is about 21%. So we have an RVR of about 3.1. Now, if we take a look here, you're going to see that we have a strong support as we stated. We also have a big level on this monthly volume profile, which you can learn how to use that under step 3 in our free course series under volume profile blueprint. And you can get access to that indicator there as well. The fact that we have that volume profile support and the monthly bias support and the BX trender, all of our criteria is met, leads me to believe that this is a good dip buy opportunity. I think that price is going to bounce here within the next 2 to 3 weeks. And I do think that over the next 3 to 4 months, price will bounce off of this support level. And since there is no volume all the way up here, we should see a continued breakout up to about $30 by May 2026 to July of 2026. Now, if we go into our THT student portal and heat map, you could click on the main fund and see all of my positions as well as the weekly watch list and unusual options flow. The only way you get access to that is if you are part of our private Discord community. But if we go into the main fund, you will be able to see my current position on OSCR. As of right now, I'm holding 6,000 shares at an average of $15.74. I'm down about 0.5%, and it only makes up for 1.72% of my total fund. Now, risk management is the most important thing when it comes to trading, and I manage my fund like it is an ETF. Inside of the student portal, you can come to the portfolio sizing calculator, and you will see how I actually find my position sizing. I take all of the stocks that are meeting the same criteria that we just talked about today, which is currently 47. So I'm holding up to 47 stocks within this ETF at one time. I put in my account size. So let's say that we're trading right now with about $1 million. I'm trading right now with about 4.2. This would mean that each position is going to be about $25,000. And we're going to normally have a max of 39 positions open at one time. This would give us a total portfolio exposure of $1 million or 100% of the account. And this is how a professional thinks and acts. There is this exact system as to why you're entering a position, why you're exiting a position, how much your sizing is going to be, and you disperse that equally across the fund. What we are not doing here is taking the entirety of our money, putting it into call options for one specific position in the hopes that this breaks out and moves to the upside. That is how you lose all of your money. That is how you become the 90% of people who fail, and that is not what we do. I hope this video helped, guys. Check out all of our free courses down in the description. And if you do want to trade with me, get access to all of my real-time alerts, all of our private indicators, our exact trading system and standard operating procedures, as well as our THT web app, the link will be down in the description at the very bottom under private Discord community. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you next time.